Sagging eyelids? Who, me? Have you looked in the mirror lately? Are your lower eyelids sagging more and more? Well, you're not the only one. Research scientists have been studying the causes of baggy lower eyelids, and their findings indicate that the fat expansion in the eye socket is the culprit. There are several causes of those baggy eyelids. The first one is unhealthy diet. That means too much sugar, obesity, and diabetes. Aging is another cause. Also, thyroid dysfunction is one. Not enough sleep. Too much exercising actually can cause it. Also, fluid retention, smoking, and allergies. What can you do about it? Well, we have a few remedies here that you can try. Try vegetable juicing. Combine several of your favorite vegetables into a juicer and drink them daily. And then water. Drink only enough water every day to make sure that it will help the swollen look go down. Actually, potatoes that contains catalyst, which is used in some cosmetics. So what you can do is take a slice of that potato, a half moon size, and put a slice under each eye for about 20 minutes while you're resting. It can help reduce the swelling and brighten the dark under eye circles. Also, you can include exercise, but not in excess, because too much exercise can cause wrinkles. And of course, definitely you need a good night's sleep. And last but not least, you can get surgery. I hope you enjoyed this information because there's more information waiting for you here. Thanks for watching.